did, and then I got a window brace in each chamber.
You did? Okay, nice.
I'll show you.
Solid built box.
I was at the Main Steel show earlier this year. You hopped in, you got a demo. I had a black Impala.
Oh, yeah.
I got the 2 BLs on the Crescendo 6K.
Oh, that's a nice box.
Thank you.
I like it, dude. That looks good.
Pop the dust caps off though.
I was gonna say, it looks like you got some extra glue on them.
Yeah, that's epoxy. And then I got some Gorilla Glue, like 5-minute set epoxy.
Okay.
And then my dumbass, when I did that one, when I took the sub out,
Yeah.
the gasket spun. And I lined up the dust cap with the gasket, not even realizing the gasket wasn't lined up in the right hole. So that's why it's crooked. But it's just a sticker.
It works. It's all just a label. Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
Awesome. What happened to your dash? Is it breaking?
So no, I got my car painted because it was black. It's gonna look everything's all paint matched and everything.
So you're getting everything reworked. Okay.
Right. It's already done, but I gotta bring it back to the paint shop. They gotta wet sand and buff the whole car, and they got a few touch-ups to do.
Yep.
So I don't want to put this back in until I get everything back, and then I'll start popping everything back in.
That makes sense. Okay.
And let that voltage charge up a little bit.
Sure, man.
Sometimes it's a little weird.
Yeah.
I gotta like hit the rear defrosters on, and then it'll start to like kick the voltage.
Okay. Are you louder with the trunk open or closed?
You know, really, I feel like it's louder with the trunk open, but I don't know how much of a difference it actually makes.
It does? Okay. I was just curious. What is your box tuned to?
32.
32? Wow.
It's double baffled on the front and the back.
Did you build it?
I did, and then I got a window brace in each chamber.
You did? Okay, nice.
Here, I'll show you.
Solid built box. Okay. What vehicle is this?
It's an 06 Impala.
Impala, okay.
Come on, I know I got a picture of it. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so I got the BLs in there. The old amp.
You have all your build video pictures in there.
Yeah, oh, there we go.
Nice. Appreciate you showing me that. That looks good, man.
Anytime, man.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
I like that. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's everything in. And then I stayed the inside of the box. I did everything.
Sweet.
And then a carpet around the outside.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I'd like to hear it.
All right.
Have you metered it?
So the only meter I've ever really got on is an SSA meter.
Same concept though. It's within a point.
Right, yeah, I'd say they're pretty close.
Yeah.
So with that window and door closed,
Yeah.
on the dash it did a 48 on music, and then on a tone with this window down, that door closed, sealed up, it did like 49, almost a 50. It was like a 49.6, and then in the kick it was doing over a 50.
Nice.
But I don't really count the kick, you know what I mean? Nobody's head sticking down there.
That's right, yeah.
Demo.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. All right.
It's gonna go on.
Awesome. What was your name?
Dillon.
Dillon, okay. there's a certain frequency where it just really slams.
Yeah, that lower note?
Yeah, that lower note comes in and it's just slamming.
You can hear though that the subs are not appreciating that much power.
No, they don't like it that much.
They don't like it at all, bro. Why don't you some BTLs in there, man?
Okay. Always some of the room to grow, man. Awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you for the demo, Dillon.
Hey, man, I appreciate you checking it out, dude.
Yes, sir. Have fun today, man. Awesome. I like the amp rack. It looks really good.
Thank you. I'm hoping I don't blow what I'm dude.
Don't blow it. Yeah, just keep your voltage right. Don't clip. You'll be all right.
Perfect.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.